In this video, we're going to go over how to make frequency table in StatCrunch. Since it's the first video for StatCrunch, I'm going to show you how to get there. So first thing you want to do is go over to my stat lab links in StatCrunch, and then we're going to go to our course home. And this course home will bring us over to StatCrunch. So I want to click on StatCrunch. And then we're going to go to the StatCrunch website. And from here, we're going to click on Open StatCrunch. You can get to StatCrunch directly, but sometimes it won't remember your group if you do. So if you go in through that way, it should remember all of your groups and everything. So the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to look at our problem we have here. So we have our different blood types that we had when we did it by hand. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in these 20 responses of blood types in over here to StatCrunch. So we have the first, we'll name this blood types. And then we're just going to insert these one at a time. So A, and if you press enter, it'll go to the next one. So we'll enter all of these. And you should end up with 20. So if you didn't end up with 20, check them over again. Make sure you got them all in right. So these all look pretty good. So the next thing we want to do is we're going to go into stat, and then we're going to go into tables because we want to make a frequency table. And then we'll click on frequency. So stat tables frequency. Then we're going to select the column we want. So we want our blood types. And then we wanted to have our frequency and relative frequency. So you can see that those two are already highlighted here, the frequency and the relative frequency. So what I'm going to do is hit compute. And you can see there's our chart, our blood types, counted each of our frequencies, and then it made our relative frequencies. So much quicker than doing it by hand, much more accurate than doing it by hand. So that is how you make frequency tables in StatCrunch.